Hi, if you want to make money with CPA grip, this is the video you have been looking for a long time, because in this video I will share with you the best strategy for you to get a limited amount of free traffic. Yes, and I will repeat again, free traffic. You don't have to pay or to invest any money using today's strategy, because it's all about free traffic. So if you are a CPA marketer, so if you are doing CPA marketing, like if you are working with CPA build, CPA grip, any other CPA marketing network, this is the best video to watch, because I will share with you a real and a solid strategy to get free traffic, and I will share with you free, or even four. I will share with you 4 examples of, we are going to spy on others that are applying the same strategy. So I will give you the proof that this strategy works actually, and it works 100% for free. So if you are a CPA marketer, an affiliate marketer, so if you are doing affiliate marketing, this is a this is one of the best strategies to get free traffic, because when we are talking about free traffic, when it comes to internet marketing, we are talking about free money. So you have to watch this video till the end, and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like my content, so this way you will receive notification when I upload more videos, because in the upcoming days I will make sure to upload or to create more videos about free traffic strategies that you can use with CPA grip, clickbank, max bounty. It doesn't matter, because free traffic means free cash, free money. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, the first example is this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel, I can't read the name, it's complicated, but what I want you to pay attention to is the amount of views they have got right here. They got something like 708,000 views. It's a lot of views. It's almost, they just need a 300,000 views to get 1 million views. And when we are talking about that much of views, imagine if they are actually doing CPA marketing, how much money they will make. A lot of money, because this is a lot of traffic right here, almost 1 million views. But the surprise, or the best thing, is they are just using stupid idea. Actually, just one video made them that much. I will share with you how. Just make sure to keep watching it step by step. Here is the second YouTube channel, just to prove that it works. This one gets almost 900,000 views, so it's almost 1 million views. And as you can see right here, it's it's the same niche, right? I will reveal the niche right now. It's the same niche, it's the same format of videos. It's only one video or two videos, they just repeat it and they get that much of views. I will share with you the videos, the examples, so you can do it yourself as well. Let's give you the third example, which is this one with 660,000 views. It's a lot, and it just joined on January 2020 on 2020. So as you can see right here, it's a new channel, and they got almost more than 500,000 of views, which is amazing. And you can do the same and get that much of views and get thousands and thousands of clicks on your CPA offers, on your content locker, and make thousands of dollars using the strategy. And the final example, I have found right there a lot of examples, but I don't want to make this video longer than 8 minutes or 10 minutes, so I will just keep this 4 YouTube channels or 4 examples. As you can see, this one gets 373,000 views, and they get fewer views, because as you can see right here, they just created this YouTube channel on February on the 15th of February. That's why they got just less views. But in the upcoming days, they will make almost, they will keep getting more views to get 1 million and 2 millions. And if they just keep doing the same strategy, because it's super easy. So right now I will share with you the niche, or how these people actually are being able to get that much of subscribers. Look, pay attention to the number of subscribers they have got right here. 23,000 subscribers, and this one as well, 10k, this one with 13k, this one with 14k. So it's a lot of subscribers, and you can use this YouTube channel to reach these subscribers and to get views from this 23k, which you know, you don't need any other traffic sources. This is enough for it because it's Allah. So let's click on videos to see the format of the video. So as you can see right here, all of the videos in this YouTube channels are YouTube shorts, right? And they don't have any other longer videos. All of their videos is something like, I think it's something like 10 seconds longer, something like that. So, and they just, as you can see right here, if you pay attention, they just use the same video and they just reupload it and reupload it and reupload it again and again and again, hundreds of times, just the same video. And you know why they are doing this? Because when it comes to YouTube shorts, you have to be consistent. So they are just using the same, when I said consistent when it comes to uploading. So they just upload these videos consistently hundreds of times per day. It's super easy. It will take you no time because this short videos will take no time to upload them on YouTube, as you can see. So it's 7 days ago. Right now let's click on, or let's sort them by the most popular, so you can see that they have videos with 5k views, 3k, and as you can see, it's just the same video all the time. They are just using the same video to get that much. So this is the same video, get 2.4k, this one 2.5k. So what they are doing is just using one short video and just keep uploading it and uploading it on their YouTube channel to get that much of views, because this way their videos get ranked and actually reach and goes viral, as you can see right here. And they just use the same, all of this YouTube channel use the same strategies just to upload content. As you can see, it's the same thing, the same videos, and as you can see, this one with 6k views, this one with 6k views. You know, sometimes they get you know, a couple of thousands of views, but with sometimes just a couple of views. That's why they are doing this, or they are applying the strategy. They just keep re-uploading the same video. So this is one of the best strategy to do because it's completely free and you don't have to pay or invest any money, and you will get free traffic for your affiliate marketing offers, or for the affiliate marketing links, or for your CPA marketing content, or for your content locker as well. The same with this YouTube channel as well. You have what you need to do is just go and search for them. Here's the names, right? Just type it on YouTube so you can find this YouTube channel. I just keep analyze it, see what is going on right there, what they are doing. It's, as you can see, it's the same video, and I'm sure with this one as well we will find some, you know, the same videos get repeated right there. Yes, I have checked this one before recording this video, and they have some videos about movies. So we have right here some different niches. You can even take the same shorts from these YouTube channels and re-upload them to your YouTube channel and just do the same strategy. And it's all about to be patient, because this strategy will take, you know, for you a couple of days or a couple of weeks to start getting a lot of traffic and a lot of views on YouTube, because YouTube is a long-term you know, business model. So that was everything. I just share with you the one of the strategies that I have noticed. You know, I just, you know, noticed that these people actually doing that. I found that there are many different YouTube channels with the same strategy, so I think it's a good one, because if it's only one YouTube channel that did this, I'm going to say it will not work for you or for me. But when I kept searching, I found many different YouTube channels. There are, you know, something like hundreds of YouTube channels doing the same thing. So do it yourself as well, and you will get free traffic to make money with affiliate marketing or CPA marketing. That was everything for today's video, guys. See you on the next video.